Hi, I'm Brett, and today we've got a video update for you on the new Pulsar SSS. That's the Australian delivered model, front-wheel drive, 1.6 litre turbo petrol engine with the direct injection technology engine. And the really good news is this car, if you have a look at our dyno data on the MRT site or the MRT Performance Facebook page, has been custom tuned by us here in Sydney. And we've also done some recent updates on the suspension. So what I'm going to first show you is the upgrades from the suspension, and then we'll talk about the custom tuning at the end of this video. Obviously everybody's looking to take advantage of the Pulsar SSS or the other model, which is a less highly specified model here in Australia, and everybody wants to lower the car, make it handle better. At the moment our sway bar suppliers are working on upgrades to the sway bars, but in the meantime Fulcrum Suspension, who are the Australian delivered manufacturing representatives and distributors for Tein, have supplied us a complete coilover package set, which gives us the ability to lower the car, make it look a little bit better, but also make it handle better with the adjustable spring and shock package. So we'll come in here, I'll show you the video. Remember, I'll take some photos as well. Remembering on the rear suspension, the Pulsar's got a beam axle rear end with a independent coil, which is on an adjustable platform, which comes as part of the kit, so this can be raised up or lowered. And the shock absorber is independent of the rear suspension. So it's not a McPherson or a Chapman strut or a true coilover shock. It's an independent shock, but you still get the fantastic benefits of the adjustable ride height and the replacement performance shock absorber. Around the front, you'll see the original shock absorber, which is a McPherson strut, has been replaced by the Tein, which has got adjustable platform in here, and it bolts up to all the original front hub assembly. Comes with the new coil spring as a complete package as well. Now these shock absorbers, depending on the specification you buy and the type of Tein you get, some are adjustable on the car, some you can get EDFC, the electronic distribution force controller, so you can adjust the shock rates in the car. All of them come with adjustable spring platforms for ride height. So depending on whether you want to slam it on the ground or just get a good ride height, they're a really good package. And the fantastic thing about Tein is because they're supported here in Australia, they can be fully rebuilt, their parts are easy to get, and from a long-term maintenance point of view, they are an incredibly good package to choose from. So let's talk about what we've done from the engine point of view. At the moment, the only mechanical changes to this car is custom tuned factory ECU. And have a look at the Dyno Graph on our website under the performance drop-down menu, then choose Power Kits, Nissan, and then the Pulsar SSS. Or go to their Facebook page and just search on MRT Performance, and then go to the pictures page and choose albums for the Pulsar SSS as well. And you see a whole heap of static photos as well as a Dyno Graph. This car has got an incredibly complex boost control system, very, very similar to the R35 GTR. The definition files for tuning the factory use got a lot of configuration settings similar to what the R35 GTR software that we use for that particular model. This new engine released here in Australia, which is similar to the Nissan Duke, which has been sold overseas, which also goes on sale here in Australia in November 2013. Exactly the same engine, different car. But what I want to focus on is you can't just put an aftermarket boost controller or an aftermarket wastegate actuator to increase the boost on these cars to get it to come on boost early. The car comes on boost. For some reason, Nissan have decided to make the boost curve very slow and what we call lazy. What we can do is bring the boost on a lot earlier. You see in the dyno graph, particularly on the torque setting, which is the blue graph, not the green graph, which is power, but the torque graph, you can see how it comes on torque a lot earlier, which is a direct relationship of the combination of ignition timing, fuel mixture, cam timing, and boost control. So there's no aftermarket boost controller will give you that option. However, the fantastic thing is with combining it all together with a proper custom tune of the factory ECU, you get the reliability, the performance, all of those things working together, which are all fully adjustable and controlled by the ECU. And of course, lift the bonnet, it all looks originally factory standard as well. And this car has got an incredible difference in bottom end performance now because of the fact of how it comes on boost a lot earlier. But remember, it's not peak boost that makes these cars quicker. It's the way it comes on a boost and how it then controls the boost, as the package includes the cam control and the ignition timing and the fuel mixtures, and then all the other things that come with it. So there you have it, Nissan Pulsar SSS, new car here in Australia. It's been on sale for a little while. This car's going to be on display at World Time Attack in a couple of weeks' time here at Sydney Motorsport Park. You can buy it through your Nissan dealer, and this particular car has been supplied by a dealer, but I don't want to say it online here because it may be not an official thing, but I'm sure you'll work it out for yourself where you can get these parts around Australia. Contact your local Ecotech tuner or contact us here at MRT on our Facebook page. Pick up the phone and give us a call or send us an email. But for today, I'm just excited about tuning this brand new car, and we're going to do some work on the Toyota 86 ROH twin charge project car, which is also on display at Time Attack next week as well. But for today, thanks for watching. I'm Brett Middleton.